In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a jewelry Shopify website. We'll walk through getting into Shopify, choosing a theme that shows off your pieces, adding your first products, and polishing the storefront so it feels on brand. Keep your product photos and descriptions handy as we go so everything moves quickly. Start by heading to shopify.com in your browser. On the homepage, click Login at the top right. Sign in with your email or one of the available providers shown on the page. If you're brand new to Shopify, the sign up link is right there and only takes a minute. And once you're in, you'll land on the admin dashboard. Open a new tab and go to themes.shopify.com. This is where you can browse free themes or explore paid options if you want more advanced layouts or built-in features. For a clean, modern jewelry look, the free themes Dawn, Refresh, and Crave are excellent starting points. They're fast, image-forward, and mobile-friendly, key for showcasing fine details like stones, settings, and metal finishes. Use the live preview to test how your product page, collection grid, and checkout feel on both desktop and phone. Make sure galleries look crisp and text remains legible on smaller screens. Once you've picked a theme to start with, go back to your Shopify admin. In the left sidebar, select Products, then choose Add Product. Give each item a clear, searchable name customers would actually type, like 14K gold huggy earrings, rather than an internal code. In the description, include materials, finishes, sizing or chain length, and simple care instructions, how to store, clean, and prevent tarnish. Set your price, and if you plan to run promotions, you can also add a compare at price. Upload high-quality images, front, side, clasp, or backing detail, and an on-model shot if possible. Natural light and a neutral background work great for jewelry, and square images keep your collection grid tidy. If your item has options like metal color or ring size, add variants so shoppers can choose without leaving the page. When everything looks good, save. Now customize your store. From your theme, click Customize to open the editor. Add your logo, choose colors that match your brand palette, and set clean typography that complements delicate product details. Build a homepage that highlights a hero banner, a featured collection, and a bestsellers row. On product pages, surface key trust elements, shipping and returns info, materials, and care to reduce buying hesitation. Tidy up your navigation so shoppers can browse by category like rings, necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. When you're happy with the look and flow, click Save to lock in your changes. That's your jewelry-ready Shopify foundation. Keep refining photos and descriptions, and your storefront will convert better over time.